Can you hear me? Yes. Can you see me? Yes. That's great. Hello. My name is Teacher Dan. What's your name? Wow, what a nice name. Nice to meet you, Ria. Now, Ria, are you ready to learn with Teacher Dan today? That's great. Let's go. Our lesson for today, Ria, is all about birds. Now, Ria, can you say birds? Very good. Now, Ria, can all birds fly? Again, can all birds fly? All right. Now, Ria, let's go to the next page. Oh, what can you see in the picture, Ria? All right, you can see animals in the picture. Very good. Now, Ria, what animals do you like? Again, what animals do you like? Wow! I like dogs and cats too. They're so cute, right, Ria? Yes. And for that, Teacher Dan will give you your reward. You got a great work reward. Get it, Ria? Clap your hands. Very good. Now, Ria, can you say, what animal is this? All right, it's a tiger. Can you say tiger? One more time. Tiger. Very good, Ria. How about this cute one, Ria? What animal is this? Very good. It's a cat. It's a cat. Cat. Okay, now Ria, can you say cat? Can you say cat? One more time. Can you say cat? Very good. Good job, Ria. Clap your hands. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? Very good, Ria. It's a dog. It's a dog. Now, Ria, can you say dog? Dog? Very good. That's great. Good job, Ria. Now, Ria, can you say what animal is this? The big one. What animal is this? It's an elephant. Very good. Can you say elephant? Elephant. Say it again, Ria. Elephant. Elephant. Very good. Good job, Ria. Okay, how about this one? What animal is this? Very good, Ria. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. Now, Ria, can you say monkey? One more time, Ria. Very good. This animal is a monkey. How about this one? What animal is this? Very good, Ria. It's a giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Giraffe. Now, Ria, can you say giraffe? One more time. Very good, Ria. Now, Ria, what is this? What animal is this? Very good. It's a bird. It's a bird. Bird. Can you say bird? Very good. This animal is a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now, Ria, what animal is this? Very good. It's a bird. It's a bird. But Ria, what bird is it? What bird is it? All right, so Ria, let's find out on the other page. Let's go. Oh, so this bird is a magpie. Oh, so Ria, let's say this is a magpie. This is a magpie. All right. What bird is this again, Ria? This is a magpie. Can you say magpie? Okay, very good. So this bird is a magpie. The color black and white. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, Ria, how about this picture? How many magpies are there in the picture, Ria? Very good. There are two magpies in the picture. We have one magpie and two magpies. Can you say two magpies? Two magpies. Very good. Now, let's move on to the next page. All right, so now, Ria, let's say magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. One more time. Magpies are birds. Very good, Ria. Now, Ria, how many magpies are there in the picture? All right, very good. Okay, let's count. We have one, two, three, and four magpies. So there are four magpies in the picture. Very good. Clap your hands, Ria. All right, so now, Ria, what can you see in the picture? Very good. You can see different kind of birds. So now, Ria, teacher Dan will read the instructions here. Click and find all the magpies. Again, click and find all the magpies. So, Ria, can you help teacher Dan to click and find all the magpies? Thank you. Very good. So now let's click and find all the magpies. Go, Ria. Very good. Yay. Oh, very good. We click and find all the magpies. Yay! So now, Ria, let's count how many magpies are there in the picture. Okay, count with teacher then, okay? Okay, so we have one, two, three, four, five. We have five magpies in the picture. How many magpies are there in the picture again, Ria? Very good. Good job, Rhea. We click and find all the magpies. Thank you so much. Clap your hands. High five. Okay, Rhea, look. What can you see in the picture? All right, you can see magpies. Okay, Rhea, can you say magpies? Okay, very good. So, Rhea, magpies can fly. Again, magpies, Rhea, can fly like this. So magpies can fly in the sky like this. And also, magpies are birds. Again, magpies can fly like this in the sky, and magpies are birds. Okay? Okay, very good. So again, Ria, what can magpies do? Very good. Magpies can fly in the sky. Yay! Very good, Ria. Okay, Ria, what bird is it? What bird is it? Okay, a penguin. Can you say a penguin? Very good. Now let's move forward to the next page. Oh, now Ria, how many penguins are there in the picture? How many penguins are there in the picture? How many penguins? Very good. There are two penguins in the picture. One and two penguins. Very good. Good. Now, Ria, let's say penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Very good. Penguins are birds. So, what are penguins again? They are birds. Very good. Good job, Rhea. Now, let's run to the next page. Oh, look, Rhea. The penguin is missing a wing. Oh, no. Can you help me find the correct penguin wing? Okay, very good. Thank you, Rhea. Okay, Rhea, let's run again to the next page. Okay, look, Rhea. What do you see in the picture? Okay, you see penguins. Very good. So, Ria, let's say penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Very good. But Ria, can penguins fly? Can penguins fly? Very good. Penguins cannot fly. Again, penguins cannot fly. Okay? Okay, very good. Now, Ria, look at the picture. Look at the penguins. They have numbers. Numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now, Ria, we need to click one number for your question. Are you ready? Okay, let's click. Click. Okay, now, here's your question. Are you ready to answer the question, Ria? Alright, so your question is, are penguins fly? Now, Ria, let's click again for your another question. Click. Alright, so here's your question. Are magpies birds? Are magpies birds? Very good. How about what can magpies do? What can magpies do? Perfect. Very good, Ria. Magpies can fly. Very good. You did a great job. Okay, let's wrap up our lesson today. Today we learn about birds and we learned that magpies can fly while penguins cannot fly. But Ria, magpies and penguins are both birds, okay? Okay, so now Ria, I have a question for you. Do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Very good, Ria. So remember, some birds can fly high in the sky while others cannot. But all of them are still called birds. Okay? Okay. That's all for today's lesson, Ria. You did a great job today. Thank you for listening and learning with Teacher Den. See you again next time. Bye.